Assalomu alaykum do'stlar, siz English Clubhouse kanalidasiz. Sizlar bilan bugun ajoyib futbol haqidagi hikoyani ko'rib chiqamiz. Avvalambor aytib o'tishim kerak, bu hikoyamiz elementary, ya'ni A1 darajadagi o'quvchilarimiz uchun bu hikoyamiz anchagina oson bo'ladi. Agarda sizning darajangiz A1, ya'ni elementary darajadan yuqori bo'lsa, bu hikoya sizga biroz osonlik qilishi mumkin, lekin albatta bu video sizga foydali bo'ladi. Bunda birgalikda sekin-asta so'zlarni birga o'qib talaffuz qilamiz va birgalikda so'zma-so'z tarjima qilib ketamiz. Bu videoda siz talaffuz va so'zlarni qanday qo'shib tarjima qilishni o'rganasiz. Bu video aniq sizga foydali bo'ladi va bu video oxirida albatta bu hikoyada ishlatilgan so'zlarni qanday qilib ishlatilishi misollari bilan ko'rib chiqamiz va albatta videoda izohlarda qoldiraman. Bemalol bu videoda bu hikoyada olingan so'zlar va iboralarni PDF shaklda Telegram kanalimizda olishingiz mumkin. Linkini esa izohlarda yozib qoldiraman. Bo'lmasa boshladik. Hikoyamizning nomi The Big Match. Bu yerda endi Z deb o'qimaymiz. The xuddi D ga o'xshab ketadi. The Big Match. Big katta degani, match o'yin, katta o'yin. Tom is a 10-year-old boy who lives in a small town. Tom is a 10-year-old boy who lives in a small town. Endi bu yerda o'qiyotganimizda article biror bir so'zdan keyin keladigan bo'lsa, o'sha so'zga qo'shibroq aytsak, unda chiroyliroq chiqadi. Ya'ni Tom is a degandan ko'ra Tom is a 10-year-old boy who lives, bu yerda ham xuddi shunaqa, in a small town. Endi Tom degani bitta degani, ya'ni bitta 10-year-old. Bu yerda years old demayapti va bu yerda chiziqchalar bor. Buni ma'nosi li degan ma'noda keladi, ya'ni 10 yoshli. Endi bu yerda 10 o'rniga xohlagan yoshinglarni qo'ysanglar bo'ladi. Misol uchun 5-year-old 5 yoshli yoki 2-year-old 2 yoshli. Agar years old desanglar yosh bo'lib qoladi. Yoshni o'zi misol uchun 2 yosh, 3 yosh, 10 yosh bo'lib qoladi. Endi bu yerda 10-year-old, ya'ni 10 yoshli boy degani bola. 10 yoshli bola. Who so'zi oxirida so'roq belgisi bo'lmagan gaplarda kelsa, kimki deb tarjima qilamiz. Kimki lives, live yashamoq, yashaydigan, in ichida degani, in a small. Bu yerda ham in a emas, in a small kichkina town, shaharcha. Ya'ni Tom 10 yoshli bola, kimki yashaydigan kichkina shaharda. He has a big dream. He wants to become a famous football player one day. He has a big dream. He wants to become a famous football player one day. He has degani unda bor degani, ya'ni unda bor bitta, big katta dream. Endi bu yerda dream emas, dream deb o'qimaymiz, dream, xuddi dream, yes. Unda bitta katta dream degani orzusi bor. He wants degani, ya'ni want xohlamoq degani, he wants, u xohlaydi, to become degani bo'lmoq, bo'lishni xohlaydi. Bitta famous emas, famous degani mashhur football player, futbol o'yinchisi. U mashhur futbol o'yinchisi bo'lishni xohlaydi one day, bir kuni. Every morning Tom wakes up early and practices in the garden. Every morning Tom wakes up early and practices in the garden. Every degani har degani, ya'ni har tongda, morning degani tong, ertalab, ya'ni har tongda Tom wakes up. Wake up degani uyg'onish, ya'ni uyg'onadi. Early emas, early, yes. Early degani erta degani. Tom har kuni ertalab erta uyg'onadi. And degani practice, ya'ni practice degani shug'ullanadi, ya'ni mashq qiladi. In the garden emas, garden, yes. Garden degani bog', ya'ni bog'da har kuni ertalab mashq qilar ekan. He kicks the ball against the wall and runs around the yard. He kicks the ball against the wall and runs around the yard. U kick degani tepish degani, tepadi. The ball nimani tepadi? To'pni tepadi. Against degani qarshi yoki ga qaratib degan ma'noda keladi. Ya'ni u to'pni tepadi devorga qaratib. The wall degani devorga qaratib tepadi. And va runs yuguradi. Around degani bo'ylab yuguradi. Qayer bo'ylab? The yard degani maydon bo'ylab yuguradi. His mother always watches him from the window and smiles. His mother always watches him from the window and smiles. His degani uning mother emas, mother, yes, uning onasi, always har doim degani, har doim watch degan tomosha qilish. Endi watches deb o'qimaymiz. Oxirida xuddi faqat sani o'zi bordek talaffuz qilamiz. Watch him, watch tomosha qilmoq, tomosha qiladi. Kimni? Him, uni. From dan degani, dan the window, oynadan tomosha qiladi. And va smile degani jilmayish, jilmayadi. Keyingi betga o'tamiz. Tom has a best friend named Ali. Tom has a best friend named Ali. Tomda bor, has degani bor, Tomda bor bitta best friend degani eng yaqin do'st, ya'ni Tomni bitta eng yaqin do'sti bor. Named degani ismli degani, named emas, named xuddi t harfi bordek, named Ali, ya'ni Ali ismli bitta eng yaqin do'sti bor. Ali is tall, fast and very good at dribbling. Ali is tall, fast and very good at dribbling. Tall baland bo'yli degan. Ali baland bo'yli, fast tez and va very good at. Endi very degani juda degani, good at degan ibora bor. Good at degani nimadirda qobiliyatga ega bo'lish, ya'ni yaxshi bo'lish degani. Ya'ni juda ham qobiliyatli nimada? Dribbling emas, dribbling. Yes, dribbling. Dribblingda ya'ni dribbling degani to'pni aldab olib yurish. To'pni aldab olib yurishda juda ham very good at, juda ham yaxshi. Bu yerda dribbling o'rniga xohlagan so'zinglarni qo'ysanglar bo'ladi. Misol uchun very good at chess, shaxmatda zo'r. Very good at swimming, suzishda zo'r. Together they train every afternoon in the local park. Together they train every afternoon in the local park. Together birgalikda, they ular, train degani shug'ullanish. Endi bu yerda together emas, together xuddi ga o'xshab together they ular birgalikda train shug'ullanish, mashq qilishadi. Every har afternoon degani tushdan keyin, har tushdan keyin birgalikda shug'ullanishadi. In the local park, local degani mahalliy degani, mahalliy parkda birgalikda shug'ullanishadi. One Friday their coach gives them exciting news. One Friday their coach gives them exciting news. One Friday ya'ni bir juma kuni their ularning coach degani trainer ya'ni murabbiy. Ularning murabbiyi gives them, give degani bermoq, beradi, them ularga, exciting degani ajoyib degani. Ajoyib, new o'zi yangi degani, news degani, lekin yangilik degani. Bir kuni juma kunida ularning murabbiyi ularga beradi ajoyib yangilikni. Ularga ajoyib yangilikni aytadi, ya'ni boys, we have a big match on Saturday against the Blue Eagles. Boys, we have a big match on Saturday against the Blue Eagles. Boys, bolalar, we have bizda bor a big match. Big degani katta, match o'yin, katta o'yin bor bizda. On Saturday degani shanba degani. Shanba kuni bizda katta o'yin bor. Against degani qarshi. Kimga qarshi? The Blue Eagles. Bu jamoani nomi. Blue ko'k, eagle burgut, ya'ni ko'k burgutlarga qarshi bizda shanba kuni o'yin bor. All the players look at each other with nervous smiles. All the players look at each other with nervous smiles. All degani barcha degani, almas, all degani all, barcha. Player o'yinchi degani, barcha o'yinchilar. Look at degani ga qaramoq, qarashadi. Each other degani bir-biriga degani, ya'ni bir-biriga qarashadi. With emas, with bilan, nima bilan? Nervous degani nervous emas, nervous degani asabiy, smile degani jilmayish, ya'ni asabiy jilmayish bilan nima qilishadi? Look at each other, bir-birlariga qarashadi. On Saturday morning, Tom feels butterflies in his stomach. On Saturday morning, Tom feels butterflies in his stomach. Shanba kuni morning degani tongda, ya'ni shanba kuni tongda Tom feel degani his qilmoq. Endi bu yerda feel butterflies in stomach degan ibora bor ingliz tilida. Bu hayajonlanish degani. Tom shanba kuni ertalab hayajonlandi. Keyingi bet. He puts on his red jersey, ties his boots, and takes a deep breath. He puts on his red jersey, ties his boots, and takes a deep breath. He yani u puts on degani kiyish degani. Puts on yani u kiyadi. His uning red qizil red emas red jersey degani futbolka degani. U qizil futbolkasini kiyadi. Ties his boots. Tie degani bog'lash degani. Ties his boots. Boot o'zi etik degani, lekin bu yerda boots deb bootsy ya'ni futbolchilar kiyadigan oyoq kiyim aytiladi. Ya'ni u bootsilarini nima qiladi? Ties, bog'laydi. And va takes a deep breath. Take a breath degani nafas olish degani. Deep degani bu chuqur. Endi bu yerda bu so'zni breathe emas, breath deb o'qiladi. Take a deep breath. Chuqur nafas oladi. I am ready. I am ready. He says to himself. He says to himself. I am men ready emas, ready emas, ready. I'm ready. Men ready degani tayyor degani. Men tayyorman. He says. U deydi, say degani demoq, aytmoq, u aytadi. To himself. Himself degani o'zini, o'ziga degani. U o'ziga men tayyorman deydi. Keyingi bet. The match begins at 10 o'clock. The match begins at 10 o'clock. The match, o'yin, begin degani boshlamoq, boshlanmoq. Begins, boshlanadi. At, degani at 10 o'clock. 10, 10 o'clock soat. Yani soat 10da o'yin boshlanadi. The stadium is full of cheering fans. The stadium is full of cheering fans. Stadion full of degani bilan to'la. Nima bilan to'la? Cheer degani baqirmoq, qichqirmoq degani. Baqirayotgan, qichqirayotgan, cheering yani baqirayotgan, fan degani muxlis, yani fanat. Muxlislarga nima? Full of to'la. Stadion baqirayotgan muxlislarga to'la. Tom runs fast, passes the ball to Ali, and never gives up. Tom runs fast, passes the ball to Ali, and never gives up. Tom yugurmoq, runs yuguradi, fast ya'ni Tom tez yuguradi. Pass degani o'sha uzatish, ya'ni pas beradi. Pass the ball, to'pni uzatadi. Kimga? To Ali, Aliga. And va never degani hech qachon. Never gives up. Give up degani ibora taslim bo'lmoq degani. Tom hech qachon, ya'ni never gives up, taslim bo'lmaydi. In the last minute, minute. In the last minute, Ali shoots the ball powerfully. In the last minute, Ali shoots the ball powerfully. Ali shoots the ball powerfully. In the last minute, ya'ni last minute degani oxirgi minutda Ali shoots the ball powerfully. Shoot degani tepish degani. Bu yerda o'zi otmoq degan ma'nosi bor, lekin bu yerda tepish ma'nosida keladi futbolda. Yani shoot the ball degani futbolda to'pni tepish. To'pni tepadi. Powerful degani kuchli, powerfully degani kuch bilan. U to'pni kuch bilan tepdi. The goalkeeper dives but cannot reach it. The goalkeeper dives but cannot reach it. The goalkeeper degani goal, keeper darvozabon degani, ya'ni bu so'zdan yasalgan goal, keep degani saqlamoq, keeper degani saqlovchi, ya'ni goldan saqlovchi, ya'ni darvozabon. Dive degani sho'ng'ish, ya'ni sakrash. Darvozabon sakradi, but lekin cannot qila olmaslik degani cannot nima qila olmaydi? Reach degani erishish, yetish, ya'ni it degani unga, ya'ni ko'p to'pga cannot reach, erisha olmadi, ya'ni yeta olmadi. Goal, the crowd goes wild. Goal, the crowd goes wild. Goal, the crowd degani olomon. Go wild degani qichqiradi, ya'ni shovqin ko'taradi. The crowd goes wild. The final score is 2-1. The final score is 2-1. The final degani oxirgi, so'nggi, score degani hisob, ya'ni shot. So'nggi hisob 2 ga 1, ya'ni 2-1. Okay, keyingi betga o'tamiz. Tom's team wins the match. Tom's team wins the match. Tom's, ya'ni bu yerda apostrophe, ya'ni tutuq belgisi bilan s kirib kelsa, ning degani. Tomning team, komanda, jamoa, ya'ni Tomning jamoasi wins, win degani yutmoq, yutadi. The match, o'yinni Tomning komandasi yutadi. After the game, both teams shake hands respectfully. After the game, both teams shake hands respectfully. After degani keyin, the game, o'yindan keyin, both, ikkala, team degani jamoa, ikkala jamoalar, shake, bu yerda both emas, both teams, ya'ni ikkala komandalar, shake hand degani qo'l berishish, ya'ni qo'l berib salomlashish, ya'ni qo'l berishish, qo'l berishadi. Respect degani hurmat, respectfully degani hurmat bilan. Ikkala komanda ham o'yindan keyin hurmat bilan nima qilishadi? Shake hands, qo'llar berishadi, qo'l berishadi. Well played, the Blue Eagles captain says. Well played, the Blue Eagles captain says. Well played degani yaxshi o'ynadingiz. Well degani yaxshi, play o'ynamoq, ya'ni yaxshi o'ynadingiz. The Blue Eagles, ko'k burgutlar, captain emas, captain, kapitani, says, aytadi, ya'ni ko'k burgutlarning kapitani aytadi, yaxshi o'ynadingiz. Tom smiles and replies. Tom smiles and replies. Thank you, you were great too. Thank you, you were great too. Tom smiles. Tom smile jilmayadi. Tom jilmayadi and va reply. Reply degani javob qaytarish. Javob qaytaradi. Thank you. Thank you. Yani rahmat. Thank you degani rahmat degani. You siz were great too. Great too. Yani great degani ajoyib degani. To so'zi gapni oxirida kelsa ham degan ma'noda tarjima qilinadi. Siz ham ajoyib edingiz. Siz ham ajoyib edingiz. Yani siz ham zo'r o'ynadingiz. On the way home, Tom's father puts his arm around his son. On the way home, Tom's father puts his arm around his son. On the way home. On the way degani yo'lda degani. Endi qayerga yo'lda? Uyga ketishda yo'lda. On the way home. Uyga ketishda yo'lda. Tom's father. Tomning otasi. Tomning father. Father emas, father. Otasi. Puts his arm. Put degani qo'ymoq. Puts his arm. Qo'lini qo'ydi. Around his son. Yani o'g'liga, ya'ni o'g'lini yelkasiga qo'lini qo'ydi. Ya'ni qo'lini around, ya'ni aylantiribdi o'g'lidan, ya'ni aylantirib o'tkazibdi bo'ynidan. His son. Son degani o'g'il degani, ya'ni uning o'g'lidan, ya'ni o'zini o'g'lini quchoqlabdi, ya'ni. I'm very proud of you. I am very proud of you. He says quietly. I am very proud of you. He says quietly. Men proud degani mamnun degani, ya'ni g'ururlangan degani. I'm very proud of you. Proud of you, ya'ni bu degani bu bitta chiroyli ibora bo'ladi. I'm very proud of you degani men sendan faxrlanaman. Sendan juda faxrlanaman. He says, u say degani aytmoq, demoq, u aytadi quietly. Sekingina aytadi, men sendan faxrlanaman. Quiet degani tinch, sokin, quietly degani sokinlik bilan, jimgina degani, sekingina. That night, Tom falls asleep with a big smile on his face. That night, Tom falls asleep with a big smile on his face. That, bu yerda that emas, that. That night, o'sha, that degani o'sha degani, o'sha tunda Tom fall asleep degan ibora bu, uxlab qolish degani. Fall asleep, bu yerda Tom bo'lgani uchun falls bo'lyapti. Tom falls asleep, uxlab qoladi. With bilan, nima bilan? A big, bitta katta smile, jilmayish bilan, yuzida tabassum bilan, on his face deyapti, face yuz, yuzida tabassum bilan nima qildi? Falls asleep, uxlab qoldi. Shu bilan hikoyamiz tugadi. Endi birgalikda iboralarni ko'rib chiqamiz. Ya'ni bu shu hikoyada ishlatilgan yangi so'zlar va bir nechta yangi iboralarni birgalikda ko'rib, qanday ishlatish kerakligini ko'rib chiqamiz. Endi so'zlarga o'tsak bo'ladi. New words and phrases. Hop, bo'lmasa ketdik. Dream. Yes. Dream emas, dream. Dream degani orzu, tush dedik. Misol uchun, she has a dream of becoming a doctor someday. She has a tarjimada. She has a talaffuzda. She has a dream of becoming a doctor someday. Endi buni tarjimasi, uning bir kun shifokor bo'lish orzusi bor. Endi keyingi ish harakatimiz practice degani mashq qilmoq, amaliyot o'tkazmoq degani. Misol uchun, you need to practice every day to improve your English. You need to practice every day to improve your English. Tarjimasi, you need, sizga kerak, to practice, shug'ullanishingiz kerak, every day, har kuni, to improve yaxshilash uchun your English, siz ingliz tilingizni. Endi ingliz tilini yaxshilash uchun har kuni mashq qilish kerak. Keyingi so'zimiz dribbling, ya'ni to'pni olib yurish, ya'ni to'p bilan yugurish degan ma'noda keladi. Good dribbling helps you get past defenders easily. Good dribbling helps you get past defenders easily. Yaxshi dribling himoyachilarni osonroq chetlab o'tishga yordam beradi. Hop. Get past degani chetlab o'tish, defender himoyachilarni easily osonlik bilan chetlab o'tishga nima qiladi? Helps, yordam beradi. Keyingi so'zimiz nervous degani asabiy, hayajonlangan, ya'ni tashvishlangan degani. I always feel nervous before an important exam. Men muhim imtihon oldidan doim hayajonlanaman. Important, muhim degani. Keyingisi jersey, right? Sport ko'ylagi, ya'ni futbolka. He bought a new jersey with his favorite player's number. U o'zining sevimli o'yinchisi raqami yozilgan yangi ko'ylak sotib oldi. Yangi futbolka sotib oldi. Keyingisi powerfully, kuchli tarzda, qudratli ravishda. The athlete jumped powerfully and broke the record. Sportchi kuchli sakrab, rekordni yangiladi. Keyingi so'zimiz goalkeeper, darvozabon. A good goalkeeper must have fast reflexes. Yaxshi darvozabonda tez reaksiya bo'lishi kerak. Dive, sakramoq, sho'ng'imoq, to'pni to'xtatish uchun, ya'ni futbolda ishlatiladi. Futbol uchun ishlatilganda, ya'ni to'pni to'xtatish uchun deb tarjima qilamiz, ya'ni sakramoq. The goalkeeper dived to the left and stopped the shot. Darvozabon chapga sakrab, zarbani to'xtatdi. Respectfully, hurmat bilan, ehtirom ko'rsatib. Always speak respectfully to your teachers and elders. O'qituvchi va kattalaringizga doim hurmat bilan muomala qiling. Keyingisi proud degani faxrlanmoq, g'ururlanmoq. Her parents were very proud when she won the competition. U musobaqada g'olib chiqqanida, competition, musobaqa. Ota-onasi juda faxrlandi. Proud. Coach, murabbiy, trainer. The coach trained the players 3 times a week. Murabbiy o'yinchilarni haftasiga 3 marta mashg'ulot o'tkazdi. Haftasiga 3 marta shug'ullantirdi. Keyingisi crowd degani olomon, tomoshabinlar. A large crowd gathered in the square to watch the concert. Konsertni tomosha qilish uchun maydonga katta olomon yig'ildi. Hop, davom etamiz. Butterflies in your stomach. Butterflies desa ham bo'ladi yoki butterflies in your stomach. Qorni g'imirlamoq, ya'ni hayajon, tashvish his qilish, ya'ni boya ishlatildi tekstda. I had butterflies in my stomach before my first job interview. I had butterflies in my stomach before my first job interview. Birinchi ish suhbatimdan oldin qornim g'imirlab ketdi, ya'ni hayajonlanib ketdim. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Chuqur nafas olmoq. Ichdan turish, ya'ni chuqur nafas olish. When you feel stressed, just take a deep breath and relax. When you feel stressed, just take a deep breath and relax. Stressni his qilganingizda shunchaki chuqur nafas oling va tinchlaning. Never give up. Never give up. Never. Never emas. Never. Never give up. Hech qachon taslim bo'lmaslik, umidni uzmaslik. No matter how hard it gets. No matter degan nima bo'lsa ham. How hard it gets. Never give up on your goals. Qanchalik qiyin bo'lmasin, maqsadingizdan hech qachon voz kechmang. Never give up on your goals. The crowd goes wild. Olomon hayajondan baqirmoq. The crowd goes wild. Olomon hayajondan baqirmoq. Devordan qulatilgan deb bo'lmoq. Ya'ni tuz to'polon ko'tarish. When the singer appeared on stage, the crowd went wild. Endi bu yerda nimaga went? Chunki govni o'tgan zamon shakli kelyapti. Went wild. Qo'shiqchi sahnaga chiqqanida olomon hayajondan baqirib yubordi. Keyingisi shake hands. Shake hands. Qo'l berishmoq, salomlashmoq yoki kelishmoq. The two leaders shook hands after signing the agreement. The two leaders shook hands after signing the agreement. Ikki rahbar kelishuv imzolagandan so'ng qo'l berishdi. Well played. Yaxshi o'ynading. Sportda maqtov uchun ishlatiladi. After the chess match, both players said well played to each other. After the chess match, both players said well played to each other. Shaxmat o'yinidan so'ng ikki o'yinchi bir-biriga yaxshi o'ynading dedi. Fall asleep. Fall asleep. Uxlab qolmoq, ko'z yumilmoq. The baby fell asleep as soon as her mother started singing. Fell asleep. Ya'ni bu yerda o'tgan zamon, fallni o'tgan zamon shakli fell. Bola onasi qo'shiq kuylay boshlashi bilan uxlab qoldi. Fell asleep. Be proud of someone. Biror kishidan faxrlanmoq, ya'ni g'ururlanmoq. Boya ko'p chiqdi bunisini. Hop, iboralarimiz shu, ya'ni bu tekstda ishlatilgan yangi so'zlar va iboralarni misollar bilan birga ko'rib chiqishga harakat qildik. Umid qilamanki, bu video sizga foydali bo'ldi. Agar bu video foydali bo'lib, sizga qaysidir ma'noda ingliz tilini o'rganishingizga yordam berayotgan bo'lsa, albatta izohlarda qo'llab-quvvatlang va like bosishni esdan chiqarmang. Keyingi videoda nima haqida bo'lsin va qanday videolar chiqishini ko'proq xohlar edingiz, shu haqida ham izohlarda yozib qoldirsangiz, shunga qarab keyingi videolarimizni shularni inobatga, ya'ni sizlarning fikrlaringizni inobatga olgan holda chiqarishga harakat qilamiz. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat.